right, gentlemen, 0-0. Side out, 0-0. 2, serving 0. Zero, serving 3. Down. Out. Hold it. Out. It's 3, serving 1.
And this was the first, guys, of several disagreements between myself and the players, which ultimately resulted in me deciding to voluntarily step down from the reffing position. All right, I got kicked off. All right, I got kicked off.
4, serving 1. Score is 1, serving 4. Let's get it, boys. That was a good shot out of
So what had happened here was the line ref called out. Meanwhile, I saw the ball good, but the line ref calling out made everyone stop playing. So I was put in a weird situation that I'd never been put in before. Our player's supposed to keep playing even after the line ref calls out. I don't know. You guys help me. You know, it's friendly, park versus park. I figured taking 2 was the best course of action there. So that's what we did.
Same score, 1, serving 4. Out.